5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Hi friends, today we are going to learn birds' name in alphabetical order. Let's start.
A is for
Albatross.
B is for
Blue jay.
C is for
Crow.
D is for
Duck.
E is for
Eagle.
F is for
Falcon.
G is for
Gold crest.
H is for
Hornbill.
I is for
Ibis bill.
J is for
Javan green magpie.
K is for
Kingfisher.
L is for
Lark.
M is for
Macaw. 3, 2, 1.
What is next? N is for
Nightingale.
O is for
Owl.
P is for
Peacock.
Q is for
Quail.
R is for
Robin.
S is for
Sparrow.
T is for
Turkey.
U is for
Umbrella bird.
V is for
Vulture.
Y is for
Yellow hammer bird.
Z is for
Zebra dove. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.